Hello and welcome to this first video of the ScopeSim tutorial series. In this video, we focus on getting started with ScopeSim. We will look at how to install ScopeSim, download instrument configurations, and understand the basic components required to set up a simulation. To follow along with this tutorial, you will need a working Python installation. You will need ScopeSim, and you need the ScopeSim templates. ScopeSim depends on standard scientific Python packages, such as NumPy and AstroPy, which are installed automatically when you install ScopeSim. For the tutorials, we will be using Jupyter notebooks, but the same code can also be run in a standard Python environment. We start by installing the packages using pip install ScopeSim templates, and you can see it downloads everything we need. In the notebook, we then import all the relevant packages. From the ScopeSim templates, we can load different types of source templates depending on what we want to simulate. This can be a single star, a stellar field, a star cluster, or a galaxy. Before we can run any simulation, ScopeSim needs access to the instrument and observatory information. These are provided through instrument packages, which define things such as the telescope location, the adaptive optics system, and the instrument configuration. To download the instrument packages, we use the function sim download packages. For the tutorials, we will use MICADO on the extremely large telescope as an example. But ScopeSim is not limited to a single telescope or instrument. Different telescopes and instruments from the instrument reference database can be selected by downloading and using the corresponding instrument and location packages. In our case, we need the Amazonas package, which provides information for the ELT side, such as altitude or atmospheric transmission. We also need the ELT package itself, which contains telescope-level properties, the Morpheo package, which provides the adaptive optics system, and of course the MICADO package, which contains the instrument and detector configuration. If you now look into your project directory, you will see that ScopeSim has downloaded all the configuration files required to perform a simulation with MICADO. At this point, we now have everything we need to run a simulation with ScopeSim. We have the ScopeSim engine itself, the template system for defining sources from templates, and we have downloaded the instrument and observatory packages that describe the site, telescope, and instrument. A simulation is initialized with simulation. Here, MICADO is our instrument. Once the instrument is specified, ScopeSim automatically loads the associated site, telescope, and adaptive optics information. We can then define the source we want to observe in different ways. In this series, we will work with both template-based sources and external FITS images, and pass them through the MICADO simulation. In addition to imaging, we will also explore spectroscopic simulations throughout this series. All of this will be covered in the following videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.